Today we're cooking Veneto Veal Crumbed Schnitzel and another option, Parmigiana style. Mix the milk and egg to make an egg wash. Mix polenta with your breadcrumbs and pour onto a flat dish. Create a production line of 4 steps: flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs, and a dish for your crumb schnitzel. Using the wet hand dry hand technique, use your left hand as a wet hand and place your veal into the flour. Pat it down with your right hand, keeping it dry. Using your dry hand, dust off flour, put it into the egg wash. Take your schnitzel out of the egg wash, wiping it on the side of the bowl. Place it into the crumb mix. Press down firmly to get an even covering, lightly shake off, and add to a dry plate. Repeat this process until all schnitzels are crumbed. Place large pan on heat. Once hot, add oil. Dusting off any excess crumbs, place the schnitzels gently into the fry pan. Cook for 60 seconds on each side or until you see a golden crust. After cooking both sides, remove carefully using your tongs onto the paper towel. Serve with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of salt. For an extra option, slice 2 tomatoes, tear 3 bocconcini, place cooked crumb schnitzel on an oven tray. Top your schnitzel with your tomato, then your bocconcini, and finish it with grated parmesan. Place it under a hot grill to melt the cheese. And there you have it, Veneto Veal Parmigiana.